Hi guys, so I have bought Lenovo Y540 recently, and the next day I have done the updates that are required, and one of the update keypad firmware update I have done, and it got restarted. Then all of a sudden it did not work, so I don't know what to do, and I tried searching for premium support because the laptop has 1 year on-site warranty. So I came to this page and I have clicked on call for premium care support. Then I have used this number, so I called to this number and they gave me the solution. The solution is, while updating it got restarted, right? So some static power has been locked of the keypad. So they asked me to do function S and V. We need to press function SV at once for more than 10 seconds. Okay, but before doing this you need to remove all the power connections, USB or whatever you have connected. You have to remove all of them, and then you have to press function S and V at once. Then the system will not respond or do anything. It will be blank after 10 seconds, like more than 10 seconds. You have to long press this power button. When you long press this power button, it will on and the Lenovo logo will come. So you don't worry, again it will turn off, and after more than 10 seconds you just remove your finger from the power button. Now what you do is, now connect the power adapter, like AC adapter, and turn on the PC. Then automatically the keypad light will blink, so that we will know, okay, the keypad is working. Yeah, this is the solution. So the solution is, we need to click function S and V, okay, at once when there are no inputs connected, like power supply, USB, mouse or whatever it may be. No, nothing should be connected. The system should be in shutdown position. Okay, after pressing these three there will be no response, but after more than 10 seconds remove your fingers and then press power button for more than 10 seconds. Then you can see the Lenovo logo comes and it will turn off after more than 10 seconds. Then again connect the power supply and turn the PC on. That's it, the issue gets resolved. Thank you.